Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be creating this natural everyday makeup look, and I'm starting off with this Johnson's moisturizer and applying it all over my face. This gives me a soft moisturized skin. Then for primer, I'm using this Smashbox Photo Finish Control Primer and applying it on my T-zones. This primer helps to smooth out your skin, and this is one of the important steps for the foundation. Next, I'm mixing these two foundations from Smashbox and Maybelline and apply it all over my face. I just blend out with a beauty blender so that it gives that natural looking skin. To hydrate my lips, I'm using this Joy lip balm. Then for the concealer, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal, applying it with a fluffy brush. This helps to cover up your dark circle and makes your eyes more awake. For the brows, I'm using this eyebrow powder in dark brown, then applying it where it's much needed. And with a spoolie, I distribute the product all over the eyebrows. Then I'm using this iconic blush palette and using this rosy pink shade, applying it on the apples of my cheeks. This gives a natural flush and warmth to my skin. Then I'm taking this Complex Culture bronzer, applying it all over my eyelids. And to make this look natural, I'm using this bronzy shade, and to mattify my skin, I'm using this Clinique Glow to Go palette. I'm using this powder on the T-zones of my face. Next, for eyeliner, I'm using this Joshua eyeliner. For this look, I'm going for a thin eyeliner. I recommend you guys to try out eyeliner pen as it's very beginner friendly. Then for mascara, I'm going on with this Bob mascara and coating it evenly. Then to add some warmth and dimension to my face, I'm using the same bronzer which I used earlier. I recommend you guys to use a little amount of the product first and then gradually build the coverage. Then I'm using this shade to highlight my face, and this just gives that natural glowy skin. To make my lips look more natural, I'm applying a little amount of MAC lipstick and blending it with my fingers. This just gives that soft nude pink look. And voila, this is how the makeup turned out to be. It's really natural and very beginner friendly. You guys can try this look out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.